Welcome to the channel. I'm very glad to see each of you. Today, we will talk about how to truly show people what they lost when they let you go. How to do it without revenge, without anger, but with dignity and strength. Stoic philosophy teaches us not to waste energy on empty emotions, but to direct it toward what truly matters. Let's figure out how to do that. He left. She betrayed. They turned away. Pain tightened in your chest, but you didn't cry. A Stoic does not shed tears. He looks fate in the face and accepts its blows. But how do you show them that they lost the most valuable thing? How do you punish them without revenge, without anger, without unnecessary words? You disappear. Not literally, but to them, yes. No explanations. No drama, no accusations. You simply cease to exist in their world, but not in your own. In your world, the greatest transformation begins. You take back your energy and direct it inward. You start taking action. This doesn't just mean distracting yourself with something new. It means rebuilding yourself from the ground up. You analyze your mistakes, your weaknesses, and make a decision to become stronger. Every day, you do something that brings you closer to this new version of yourself. You work on your body. Physical training is not just a way to look better, but a powerful tool for strengthening the spirit. When you train, you experience discomfort, pain, fatigue. But in those moments, you learn patience, self-discipline, and resilience. It hardens you not just physically, but mentally. Gradually, you become a person who controls his body and emotions rather than being their victim. You develop your mind. You read books, study philosophy, acquire new skills. You no longer waste time on useless conversations and meaningless entertainment. Instead, you invest your energy in things that make you wiser, stronger, and more successful. The more you learn about the world and yourself, the less past mistakes and regrets bother you. You begin working on your goals. It no longer matters who left, who turned away, who betrayed you. You're too busy building your future. You set yourself challenges that you once feared even approaching. You start achieving things that once seemed impossible. You no longer seek approval because your confidence comes from within. But it's important to understand, your transformation is not just a way to prove something to someone. It's not about them. It's about you, your life, your growth, your strength. You are no longer a victim of circumstances. You are their creator. You move from survival mode to creation mode. You no longer hope that someone will change. You change yourself. Time passes. You look in the mirror and see a completely different person. A person who no longer lives in the past. You are no longer who you were yesterday. You have become stronger, wiser, more confident. You have learned to forgive, but not for them, for yourself. Because forgiveness frees you. Forgiveness is not about going back. It's about never depending on the past again. But to reach this point, you must understand that everything in life follows a process. No change happens in a day or a week. The Stoics said, "The path to greatness is a sequence of small victories over yourself." Every day you make a choice to give up or to move forward, to be weak or to become stronger. You choose growth. And here's what happens next. The people who betrayed you, left you, or turned away will one day notice the change. They will hear your name, see your achievements, realize that you didn't just survive, you rose to a new level. Regret will grow in their hearts, but you won't care anymore. You have learned to be self-sufficient. You have found joy in life without them. You have become someone who no longer fears solitude, because within you is a universe of possibilities. You have found inner freedom. And one day when they hear your name again, when they accidentally see you or find out that you have achieved things they never even imagined, you will feel nothing. because they will realize you didn't just leave. You ascended. You became someone they can no longer reach. You didn't seek revenge. You didn't wait for their return. You simply became who you were always meant to be. But you won't care anymore. You weren't waiting for their regrets, their pain, or their return. You are living your life full of strength and meaning. That is the real punishment. Not revenge, not anger, but indifference and success. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Let Stoic wisdom make us stronger. See you next time.